Hello student, this year due to coronavirus, few topics of HSC board syllabus is deleted for 2020 to 21 only. Remember student, complete lesson is not deleted but only few topics of that lesson is deleted. On website, board clearly mention the topic with a page number, but sometime in hurry the student may get confused. To avoid this, I clearly shown the topic with the textbook pages and discuss here which topic is deleted and which topic is not deleted on particular page. After watching my video, your doubt will be clear and there will be no need to search anywhere. Of course, your time is very important. So remember student, your time is more valuable than money and make it fabulous. In first part of video, I selected 6 lessons that are rotational dynamic, mechanical properties of fluid, kinetic theory of gases and radiation, thermodynamic, oscillation and superposition of wave. First lesson is rotational dynamic. In this lesson, article number 1.42, sphere of death, which is on page number 11, is deleted. On the same page, article number 1.43, vehicle at the top of the convex overbridge, is deleted. On page number 19, rolling motion is completely deleted, which is continue on the page number 20. But on page number 20, difference between the kinematical equation in linear and rotational motion is not deleted. You have to remember this. Lesson number 2, mechanical properties of fluid. In this lesson, article 2.3, that is pressure, is deleted from page number 27 to 33. But on page number 33, means page number 27, it start the pressure and on page number 33, it will be end. Next article on page number 33, it will be start, that is 2.4 surface tension. This surface tension is not deleted. It means whole page 33 is not cancelled. Now let us see the next is article number 2.8, that is equation of continuity, which is on page number 48, this one, and page number 49 is deleted. Next article is in this lesson mechanical properties of fluid is 2.9, Bernoulli's equation, which is start from the page number 50 to page number 53 is deleted. Next is lesson number 3, kinetic theory of the gases and radiation. In this lesson, article 3.2, behavior of gas, on page number 56, this one, and page number 56 is deleted. But on the same page, there is another article is there, 3.1, introduction, is not deleted. Remember this. Next article 3.3, that is ideal gas and real gas, is deleted on page number 57. On the same page 57, 3.4. Next article is there. Mean free path is deleted. This one. Next article 3.8. Law of equipartition of energy, which is on page number 61 and page number 62, which is on page number 61 here, and continue up to the page number 62 is deleted. But remember that on page number 62, 3.9 specific heat capacity is not deleted. Next is lesson number 4, thermodynamic. In this lesson, article 4.8, here it shows that 4.8 heat engine, which is on page number 96, 97 and 98 is deleted. 4.9, next article is there, 4.9 refrigerator and heat pumps, which is on page number 99, 100 and 101 is deleted. Next article, that is 4.10 second law of thermodynamics, which is on page number 102 and 103 is cancelled. Next article is there, 4.11. 4.11, which is on page number 104, 105 and 106 is deleted, and the topic is Carnot cycle and Carnot engine. Next is that the last one, 4.12. This article, which is on page number 106, is Stirling cycle. Up to this, the lesson, these topics are cancelled. Next lesson is oscillation. In oscillation, article number 5.7, that is reference circle method. 5.7 reference circle method. This topic is deleted, which is on page number 116 and 117. But on page number 117, 5.8 article, that is a phase in SHM is started, which is not deleted, which is included in our syllabus, phase in SHM. Remember this one. Next article is there, 5.9. Now see that 5.9 graphical representation of SHM. This is page, this will be page number, this is on the page number 118 and 119. This topic is deleted, graphical representation. This graphical representation, which is continue on the 119, up to this it is cancelled, but on page number 119, next topic is started, that is article number 5.10, composition of two SHM having the same period and along the same path. This topic is not cancelled, which is included in our syllabus. Next article is there, that is 5.14 damp oscillation. This damp oscillation, again next article is there, that is 5.15 free oscillation, force oscillations and resonance. These two articles 5.14 and 5.15 are deleted from the syllabus, this year's syllabus, which is on the page number 126 and 127, and it is continue up to the 128. Now next lesson is there, that is the 6th lesson, superposition of wave. In this lesson, article 6.3 reflection of wave, 6.3 reflection of wave, which is on page number 113 132 and 133 is deleted. But 133 page second article is start, that is 6.4 superposition of wave. This article is start on this page 130, and here it is mentioned that this on this page 6.3 reflection of wave is finished, and this is deleted from the syllabus. But 6.4, that is superposition of wave, is not deleted. Next article is there, that is a 6.10 characteristics of sound. This article and 6.11 musical instrument, both these articles are deleted from the syllabus, which is on the page number 153 and 154. I hope you student, you will understand deleted portion of HSC syllabus. In my next video, that is deleted syllabus part 2, I am going to discuss remaining part of lesson. Please subscribe my channel to get you notification of my video. Thank you.